Hello again and welcome to Tartan Tarantulas unboxing video. We've got another P.Platyomma and GBB or Greenbottle Blue, and that one again that I can't pronounce. I can't remember the common name for it either, but yeah, I'll put it in there. I'll put it underneath. So yeah, let's get the box open. So we've got some decor and enclosures in here, along with little Lego guys, little Lego characters. We've got Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Batman. Some card art, a couple of these, get a look at the enclosure first. So here it is. I've got 3 of these in here. That's extremely well packed as always. This one's got a vial in it. And this one has 2 vials in it. And the rest is just packaging. So closure here, I'll do some nice close-up shots of it. I'm going to get these little enclosures, the vents and stuff in them, and I'll show you the spiders going into them once I've got them set up, so I'll do that. Alright, it's time to get these guys into the enclosure. I was going to put the little Lego figures in, but I felt like there wasn't much space. And I like the look of just the wee leaf in the card park. Lego figures are pretty cool though, so I might, once they've molted a few times and I'm putting them in a bigger enclosure, I'll probably stick them in with them. So first up we'll try the Greenbottle Blue. So there's your Greenbottle Blue there. Get him into the enclosure. Easy as pie. I'll get some close-ups of these guys after they're all in. Number 2, we'll go for P.Platyomma. It's a big guy. The lighting's not very great, to be honest. It's a bit of a shame. Okay, huh? Number 2, easy as pie. And last but not least, one I can't pronounce, the O.Diamantinensis or whatever the hell that is. Yeah, £29 at the spider shop. Says in the video. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Oh god, he's webbed up the inside of it already. That's what I noticed about the other three that I got. These guys love to web up their enclosure. That's totally tiny. Yeah, let's get him in. Well, he fell in, so that's one way of doing it. Cool. Fell off the tissue into the enclosure. Sweet, that's 3 out of 3. I'll get some close-ups of these guys now. Or at least I'll try. Okay. The lighting's pretty bad for getting some like really good close-ups, so that's kind of sucked, but the new little enclosures are awesome. These two spiders are also great. Stainy's got some absolutely cracking deals on right now for these enclosures plus the spiders. So I definitely choose to Tartan Tarantulas and Stainy once again. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.